dari 130 negara. Jadi mereka dari berbagai macam latar belakang negaranya, budayanya. Tapi melihat budaya kita, mereka sama excited.
Kita saling support, kita saling dukung. Semoga budaya Betawi eksis di kampungnya sendiri.
Pertama kalinya sih Niki nge-host di SIS and it was very fun. Yang lain pada semangat-semangat semua ya banget.
Oh, look, it was fantastic seeing the students get so engaged, with Betawi culture, and we are an international school, so we have students from 31 countries. So even if you look at the students doing the dance, the singing, the music, not all of them were Indonesian, so it was a really nice introduction to the culture.
Exciting moment is pas kayak nonton performance dari anak-anak sini, keren banget. They only had 45 minutes maybe.